Good night, my name is Vanessa Salami. This is my activity, my last vacation. Last year, I went with my mom and my brother to Italy. We went to Milan, Rome, Rimini, and another different places. Milan has the Piazza del Duomo, is a cathedral, and Rome has the monument of Vittorio II, or the altar of the fatherland. Well, we saw many monuments and very important places. If you can, you must visit these two places. They are wonderful. The food was excellent. We ate some spaghettis with tomatoes, meat with arugula, and vegetables, with cheese and different types of pizza. My brother should have told me that I was going to gain weight. I spent a lot of time with my family. I play with the dog at the park. My brother said to me and my mom that we have to take a lot of photos on this trip because sometimes we forget. Well, this is my presentation. Thank you. They also celebrate my birthday. But this is my presentation. Thank you very much. Enjoy.